Ever feel buried under heaps of data, unsure where to focus?
Yes, definitely!
Most tools hand you endless charts and dashboards, leaving you to connect the dots yourself, time-consuming and prone to missed opportunities.
Right.
Now imagine spotting a sudden drop in sales or an unusual spike in customer churn. The typical solution? Spending hours digging through spreadsheets or navigating dashboards to figure out what's going on. These traditional methods are not just tedious. They often overlook critical patterns hidden in your historical customer data. In this video, we'll explore how automation can transform these challenges into opportunities by analyzing historical customer data patterns while optimizing workflows.
Wow.
We'll introduce you to Outlier AI, a tool that not only detects anomalies in your data, but also provides clear insights into the reasons behind them, helping you make faster and smarter decisions.
Tell me!
Introduction to Outlier AI. Outlier AI is an advanced analytics platform powered by artificial intelligence, designed to simplify data exploration and insight generation. By automating anomaly detection, trend analysis, and visualization, it helps users turn raw data into actionable insights without requiring extensive expertise. Whether you're a data scientist, marketer, or business owner, Outlier AI helps you uncover hidden patterns, monitor KPIs, and make informed decisions.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Now that you know what Outlier AI is all about, let's dive into its game-changing features that make it a must-have for professionals across industries. 4 powerful advantages of using Outlier AI. 1. Time-saving automation. Outlier AI does the heavy lifting by analyzing data and delivering insights instantly. Spend less time crunching numbers and more time acting on insights. Its automation ensures you can focus on strategy while it handles the repetitive tasks in the background. 2. Actionable insights. Unlike traditional tools that show raw data, Outlier AI highlights what matters: anomalies, correlations, and trends, making decision-making simpler. Each insight is accompanied by context, so you know exactly why it matters and what actions to take. 3. Ease of use. No need for coding or complex setups. Outlier AI's intuitive interface is perfect for users of all skill levels, from beginners to data pros. Interactive dashboards and guided workflows ensure a smooth user experience for everyone. 4. Scalable for all businesses. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Outlier AI adapts to your needs, handling datasets of any size with ease. Its robust infrastructure ensures consistent performance, even as your business grows or your data scales up. Now that we are aware of what tool is bringing to the table, it is time to identify how the tool enables those. 4 incredible features of Outlier AI that make data analysis easy. 1. Automated anomaly detection. How it works. Outlier AI continuously scans your datasets in real time to detect unusual patterns or anomalies. No coding or manual data exploration required. Instead of spending hours combing through reports, you'll receive instant alerts the moment something unusual happens. Example in action. Imagine you're managing an e-commerce store, and suddenly a product's sales spike by 300% in one region. Outlier AI identifies this anomaly and sends you an alert. Upon investigation, you discover that a local influencer posted a video about the product. Thanks to the timely alert, you can capitalize on the trend by boosting inventory and launching targeted ads. 2. Cross-dataset correlation. How it works. Outlier AI doesn't treat datasets in isolation. Instead, it connects and analyzes data from multiple sources, such as marketing, sales, and operations, to uncover relationships you might not have noticed. Example in action. Suppose your retail business is facing higher customer churn rates. Outlier AI correlates this trend with a decrease in marketing spending in a specific region. It highlights that reduced ad impressions directly correspond to a dip in customer retention. 3. Intuitive data visualizations. How it works. Outlier AI transforms complex datasets into stunning, easy-to-digest visuals. Its tools range from trend charts and heat maps to interactive dashboards. It automatically highlights critical data points so that your team and stakeholders can focus on actionable insights. Example in action. Picture this. You're preparing for a quarterly business review. Instead of manually creating charts in Excel, Outlier AI generates dynamic visuals that show sales trends, product performance, and regional growth at a glance. 4. Customizable alerts. How it works. Outlier AI doesn't just analyze historical data. It uses machine learning to predict future trends and outcomes. Its customizable alerts notify you about potential risks or opportunities based on your preferences. You can even set thresholds for specific metrics, ensuring alerts are hyper-relevant. Features and advantages of the tool make it the indispensable choice for your automation ideas, but how you will make sure that you are following the right path to integrate the tool. For that reason, we will provide you with extensive guidance. Tutorial: How to use Outlier AI for data insights. Step 1. Sign up and connect your data. Start by heading over to the Outlier AI website, signing up and logging into your account. Step 2. Define your metrics. Decide which metrics, or key performance indicators, KPIs, are most important for your business. Outlier AI will analyze these metrics automatically and help you monitor trends or unexpected changes. Examples of metrics you can track. For e-commerce, monthly sales revenue, average order value, or cart abandonment rate. For marketing teams, ad spend, conversion rate, or click-through rate. Step 3. Explore insights. Once your data is connected, Outlier AI gets to work by generating insights like anomalies, sudden spikes or dips in your data, trends, long-term patterns, and their potential impact. Step 4. Customize alerts. Outlier AI allows you to set up real-time notifications for key events or patterns. This keeps you proactive and ensures that no critical changes go unnoticed. Step 5. Export and share. Once you've gathered your insights, export the data or visuals into reports and share them with your team or stakeholders. Bearing in mind how the tool is used, let's explore where it potentially be applied. 4 ways Outlier AI can revolutionize your workflow for various sectors. 1. Business operations optimization. Identify inefficiencies, supply chain bottlenecks, or cost overruns instantly. Outlier AI's automated anomaly detection ensures you spot issues before they escalate. It provides detailed root cause analysis, helping you understand why something went wrong. With real-time monitoring, you can address operational challenges proactively, minimizing downtime and improving efficiency. 2. Marketing campaign insights. Track campaign performance and customer behavior in real time. Outlier AI reveals patterns that help you optimize ad spend, target audiences better, and boost ROI. It even highlights underperforming campaigns and suggests adjustments to maximize effectiveness. Plus, its predictive analytics help you stay ahead by forecasting future trends in customer engagement and conversions. 3. Customer experience enhancement. Analyze customer feedback, churn rates, and satisfaction scores to uncover trends that can improve your products or services. Outlier AI highlights pain points in the customer journey, enabling you to make targeted improvements. 4. Sales forecasting. Accurately predict sales trends based on historical data, helping your team hit targets and plan inventory accordingly. Outlier AI also identifies seasonal fluctuations or market shifts that could impact performance. This allows your sales team to make informed decisions, avoid stockouts, and meet customer demand seamlessly. As every other online tool, Outlier AI comes with the variety of disadvantages that you need to be very careful to avoid potential side effects. 3 disadvantages of Outlier AI. 1. Dependence on data. Quality. Outlier AI's accuracy depends heavily on the quality and completeness of the data you provide. Poorly formatted or inconsistent datasets can lead to unreliable insights, requiring users to spend extra time cleaning their data. 2. Limited offline access. As a cloud-based tool, Outlier AI requires a stable internet connection for full functionality. Users in areas with unstable networks or those who prefer offline access may find this a significant limitation. 3. Over-reliance on automation. The tool's AI-driven automation may tempt users to depend solely on its insights without applying their own critical thinking. This could lead to decisions that miss subtle nuances or context that only human analysis can provide. In conclusion, Outlier AI is a revolutionary tool for anyone looking to harness the power of data. From anomaly detection to predictive analytics, it simplifies the process of turning raw data into actionable insights. Fun fact about Outlier AI. Did you know Outlier AI processes billions of data points every day to help businesses make smarter decisions? It's like having your own personal data scientist, working around the clock, 24/7. Ready to supercharge your data game? Hit that subscribe button for more tips, tools, and tutorials on leveraging AI for smarter decision-making. Stay tuned for more ways to dominate the world of analytics.